it. We're here. We're here. Home run, Durham. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft has been parked at the gate and the captain turns that seatbelt sign there off. Right above your head. Once we reach the gate and the sign has been turned off, that will be your indication that it's okay to get up, start retrieving your belongings. Do use caution when you open up those overhead bins. Yes, it's okay to turn on your phone, so your friends and family know you've arrived, as long as your phone are accessible without releasing your seatbelt or removing carry-on from where they should be stowed. I'm showing no connections in Raleigh. However, we do have those of you continuing on to Atlanta. Please remain seated and allow the local passengers to deplane. We'll count you from the back to the front after everybody else is gone, so please be patient. We will let you know when we have confirmed our through count to Atlanta. Folks, thanks so much for joining us today. We do appreciate your business now more than ever. We hope you enjoyed the flight. And now that we added ginger ale and crabapple, plus other things. Thanks for your patience or pretending to be patient while we got delayed at the gate in St. Louis. Enjoy the rest of your day. Come back and see us. Masks are required until you are no longer in the airport. We appreciate that.